feel that your core has gone missing since your 30s? You're not alone. But the good news is that we can bring it back to life without any crazy crunches. Hi, I'm Dina, and in today's yoga flow, we're going to do some simple exercises that strengthen your core, improve posture, and make you more mobile. So let's wake things up and get started. Let's start in a Sukasana position, that's the name of this pose, which is a crossed-legged position, and close your eyes. We're just arriving on the mat. Start to focus your attention on the breath. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And last one, inhale. Exhale. Good. Slowly open your eyes. And we will get straight into the exercises today. So let your palms rest on your knees and let's start doing some hip circles. So we're just shifting weight from one side to the other. We're rotating at the torso. Do the circles as small or as large as you feel proper for you today. Don't forget to breathe. And if you've done one side, stop and let's go the other side. Switch directions here. And one more. And then stop at the center. Place the right palm onto the mat. Raise the left arm up and just side stretch to the right here. Feel that entire extension on the left side of your torso. Breathe here. Two more breaths. And then slowly come up and let's go the other way. So left palm on the mat, right arm above your ear, stretch. Now the entire right side of your torso. And breathe here. One more breath. And then slowly come up. And let's come onto our hands and knees. We're going to do a few cat-cow to mobilize the spine. So inhale, arch your spine, gaze up. Exhale, round your spine, chin to chest. Inhale, round, arch your spine. Exhale, round. Two more. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Inhale, arch. And exhale, round. Perfect. Now let's add some core movements to this. Extend the left arm and the right leg. Stay here for one breath. Find your core, find your center. And then inhale here, extend as much as you can. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, extend. Exhale, elbow to knee, round your spine. Inhale, extend. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, extend. Exhale, and one more. Inhale, extend. Exhale. Hold this for one breath. And then slowly come back. Down, and let's do the other side. So extend the right arm and the left leg. Mobilize the core here. Inhale, extend. Exhale, knee to elbow to knee. Inhale, extend. Exhale, elbow to knee. Do not rush this. Inhale, extend. Exhale. Inhale, extend. Exhale, and one more. Inhale, extend. And exhale. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze as much as you can. And then go down. Good. Now place, shift your sit bones back, extend your legs, and find your first downward facing dog. Start to pedal your feet, shake the head. Breathe here. And when you're ready, stop. And stay here for 2 more breaths. On the next breath, come forward into plank. Find your plank here and let's hold this for 5 breaths. You can always have the option to lower the knees on the mat. Inhale 1. Exhale. Inhale 2. Exhale. 3. You can do this. 4. And 5. Last one. Give it all you can do. Now place the knees on your mat and find child's pose for 2 breaths. Just relax in here. You deserve this. Come back into downward facing dog. And we're going to raise the right leg up, extend it as much as you can. And of course, we're going to move. So inhale here, extend, and exhale, bring the knee to your nose. Come forward. Inhale up, exhale, knee to nose. Inhale up, exhale, knee to nose. Inhale up. Exhale, knee to nose. And one more, inhale up. Exhale, knee to nose. Good. Come back to downward facing dog. Recenter here. Find your breath. No surprises. We're going to do exactly the same on the other side. One more breath here. Inhale, raise the left leg up. One breath here. Inhale, extend. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, extend. Knee to nose, exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Two more. Inhale. Exhale. And the last one. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Come back to downward facing dog. Raise now the right leg. Bend the knee and place the foot on the outside of the right palm. We find lizard pose here. You have the option to lower the left knee on the mat. Come onto the left palm, place the right palm onto the right knee, and then push the knee outward. And breathe here. You can have the knee on the mat or the leg extended. Two more breaths. Then slowly place both palms on the mat and come back into downward facing dog. Extend your spine here for one breath. And then raise the left leg up. Bend the knee and place it outside of your left palm. Lower the knee if that's your option today. Place the left palm on the left knee and then open the hip. And just breathe here. Two more breaths. One more. Place both palms on the mat and come back to downward facing dog. Maybe pedal the feet, shake your head. Come back into plank. And we're going to do some side planks now. So place the left palm on the middle of your mat and roll over to the left edge of your foot. You can stay here or extend the right arm up. Now, if this is too intense for you today, maybe bend the left knee and do the same. Okay? Where you are now is exactly where you're meant to be, so try the best version that fits you today. Two more breaths here. Engage your core. Your core is strong. Then slowly come back, both palms on the mat. Place the right palm now in the middle of your mat and roll over to the right side. If things start to shake, that's okay. One more breath. And then come down. Place the knees on the mat, find child's pose. Now slowly lift up and come onto your buttocks here. And we have one of my favorite poses. So find a place where you can balance your weight onto the sit bone. So Navasana, both pose we're doing here. So your legs are raised, your arms are extended by the side, your back is straight. Yep. And we do 2 series of this. So let's start with the knees bent. 2 more breaths here. Now bring your knees to your chest and start to very quickly raise your buttocks off the mat. Yeah, just one pose. You can keep your knees, your feet down. And then extend your legs for series 2, Navasana. You can shake. I do have shaky legs in this position sometimes. 2 more breaths. And then cross your feet and come up slightly. Good. Now you can choose to close your practice with Shavasana, lying down, just downloading everything that we've just done. Or you may choose to close the practice in Sukasana, cross-legged. Close your eyes here. Breathe and just notice how your body feels in this moment. Notice your breath, your core, your entire body. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. You have done it. You have switched your core on and engaged it and improved the posture, your posture by doing so. So thank you for choosing to practice with me today. I hope you've enjoyed it. Maybe leave me a comment down below to tell me how did you feel after today's session. I wish you an amazing rest of the day. Namaste.